Heebie-Jeebies123 here with part 3 of my Heart Gold Soul Silver Unleashed unboxing. So let's carry on. A couple more packs on this right hand side and then hopefully go through this a bit quicker. Move on to the next side. Okay, so we got a Horsey, Roselia, Remoraid, Teddiursa, Mankey, Minun, Tora, Pupitar, Engineer's Adjustment Reverse, and a Rare Beedrill. Okay, so we've got a Cherubi, we've got a Misdreavus, Roselia, Magmar, Onix, Jewel Ball, Plus Power, Super Scoop Up with the new artwork, a reverse Onix, and another holographic Politoed. It's got the King's Rock in the background there. Okay. Let's move on to the left hand side. Have a look at that top bit. There we go. Let's see what we've got here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, so we've got a Weedle, a Aipom, Misdreavus, Cherubi, Larvitar, Interviewer's Questions, Grottle, Goodrod, Reverse Goodrod, and a Blastoise Rare. Okay, Entei. Excuse me. Okay, so Larvitar, Weasel, Riolu, Mankey, Carnivine, Energy Returner, second Rare Candy, Metang, Reverse Jewel Ball, and a Metagross holographic. That's a nice card. I like that holographic. Okay. Okay, so Larvitar. 2 secs. Anyway, Larvitar, Squirtle, Beldum, just seen another nice card in the back there, Mankey, Zubat, Metang, Engineer's Adjustments, Super Scoop Up, and my third prime of the pack, which is Lantern. That's beautiful artwork. Really do like these primes, they're very nice. And another Torkoal rare. Okay. Okay, so Onix, Squirtle, Mischievous, Larvitar, Zubat, Judge, Wartortle, Life-Herb, Reverse Metagross, and another Ninetales rare. It's not bad back. Okay. Weasel, Stantler, Larvitar, Apom, Remoraid, Plusle, Judge, Numel, Cheerleader's Cheer Reverse, and a Sudowoodo Hollow. I really like that, the modelling clay effect, it's nice. Yeah, that's a nice card. Okay, so we've got Brazili, Onix, Beldum, Magmar, Spearow, Life-Herb, Poliwhirl, I'm not sure if I've got one of them yet, very nice background in that, I like that card. Cheerleader's Cheer, Reverse Steelix, and my first Fearow. I've only got one legend so far. Looking for a few more of them would be nice. Let's see what we've got in this pack. So I've got Spearow, Weedle, oh just my luck, I've seen it at the back, Apom, Mischievous, Cherubi, MC's Chatter, Pokemon Circulator, Super Scoop Up, Horsey Reverse, and the Entei and Raikou bottom. Yeah, see, speak about it, get a good bit of luck. That's a nice pack, and that's a nice card. Okay, get a couple more in. Okay, so Stantler, Larvitar, Apom, Remoraid, Spearow, Seadra, Grottle, Engineer's Adjustment, Seadra Reverse, and a Manaphy holographic rare, of course. That's a very nice card. Yeah, that's a good card. I like that pack. Okay. Okay, so Natu, Turtwig, Larvitar, Remoraid, Tropius, Kakuna, Flustle, Dunsparce, Roserade Reverse, and another Blastoise. Alright, I'm going to end this part of the video here. Stay tuned for the final part, part 4. I have to go a bit quickly through that one, but I'm sure it'll be fine. Sub if you want to. Hope you enjoyed. See you soon.